he hiki mai tai, he whitiki i ngā waiwai. He whakapakariti nana te mahi mā Kaia Issac me tana teina a Tama mo te kēmu nui o te wā.
Feeling really excited. I can't wait to get on the court with the boys again, so the semi-final is going to be exciting.
Pretty excited, you know, it's obviously a good test for us, but chasing that three-peat, so it's always exciting around this time of the year.
Kua uru atu te tīma poi tūkohu o ngā Canterbury Rams ki ngā whiringa whāiti o te whakataetae National Basketball League, ko te kapa Southland Sharks, ngā huariri o te wā, me te whakataunga o te kai whakahaere matua a Quinn Clinton, ahakoa kei te taumata suawha o te poari te huariri, he wero e kainamu mai nei.
They're one of the hottest teams in the competition at the moment and playing a really up-tempo kind of brand of basketball, and they have multiple shooters and really test your defensive systems, and so they'll certainly be a challenge. Really well coached, and they've had a really good year, and certainly had 2 good games against them, and they've added a few new pieces. So yeah, we'll be all over the scout and ready to compete hard against the Sharks.
Haunga atu I te taumahatanga o ngā whiringa whāiti, he wā motuhake tēnei mā te whānau Isaac. He tuaruatanga hoki mā te tokorua nei, kia eke ki tēnei taumata.
It's exciting times for us and our family, just being able to make another semi-final for the second time in a year. We can both feel it together as a group.
I think doing it with my brother, like obviously it's a pretty special moment, going for 2 years in a row now with him. I think with any group it's pretty special to make it to the playoffs and make that final run, but obviously we're going for that three-peat with some local guys.
Ahakoa ko te toa te whāinga matua, e mōhio pū ana te kapa, he mahi kei te haere, I mua I tā rātou tukinga ki te kōti.
I think just hitting on our habits, just the little things that kind of get us over the line, which we kind of look at film and off the court. So I think just doing those little things that help us win, and yeah, it translates.
Canterbury fans come down to support. I think that's just the main thing. Come support us. It'll be a great match no matter who we play.
Ka tuki te kapa Canterbury Rams ki te kapa Southland Sharks, hei āpōpō hei te rua karaka I te ahiahi ki te taiwhanga o Cows. Shikaila Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.